Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel. This video, I just want to share something I think is really cool. So at our extension office, you can pick up these, they're like pamphlets, or not pamphlets, they're like a print off. But it's so cool. I need to show you two different websites that you can go to get all kinds of really good information. I just love it in the summertime when there's all kinds of different fruits and vegetables and things are coming out, and sometimes you may come across something that you have never really eaten a lot of, or you're not really sure how to make it. Probably not the case with this watermelon one, but maybe with kale. You know, there's things that are typical that people use kale for. But the thing that's cool about this is actually these that look like this are from foodhero.org. See there? Foodhero.org. And if you go there, there's an entire long list of tons of fruits and vegetables. And it's awesome because you can print these out. Like this one is about kale. It talks about the different types of kale. It talks about how to store the kale. And it will have this for all of the fruits or vegetables that you look up. It tells you about kale basics, like kale is rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber for a healthy body. It tells you how to shop for it so you know you're getting fresh, really good kale. And even about frozen kale and how you can keep that on hand. So this is pretty cool. But on the back of each one of these, the coolest part is that it gives you recipes. This one is a kale dip. Kale and white bean soup. That sounds delicious. And then there's a quick fix for like substitute kale for spinach in raw or cooked recipes. Other ways to use kale. And then they always have a little kids corner here. So the ones that look like this is if you go to foodhero.org, and they'll tell you there, they also have a recipe for baked kale, crunchy baked kale chips recipe is there. So on the website, they'll actually have more than is on these. So I got this one for kale. This one is watermelon, and the reason I picked it up is because sometimes you can never really tell if a watermelon's really good at the store. And so I was talking to a friend of mine about that, and we thought, you know, we'll check this out. But watermelon contains lycopene, which gives it its red color, and color is a powerful antioxidant that keeps you healthy. So that's kind of cool. Here's how to shop for them. And then on the recipes, the reason I wanted this one is because there's a watermelon salsa. That sounds really good. But there's a watermelon cooler that is made with watermelon and orange juice, and it's blended, and that just sounded so good. So these are the print-offs. There's hundreds, but these are the ones I'm just showing you from foodhero.org. The other one is from Oregon State University, and the thing I love about these is it's for the OSU Extension Family and Community Health, and I will put the link to both of these. But the thing I love about this one is there's even more. Now, I grabbed this one on parsnips and this one on rutabagas because you don't see a lot of people just making parsnips and rutabagas. In fact, I have a friend that told me about rutabagas because she had never had them before. And she loved them. Like, she went back to the store to buy more. So tells you great ways to use rutabagas, what makes them good, what nutrition they have, the minerals, the fibers, the phytonutrients, and the same thing with parsnips. But when you go to this website, there will be a whole lot more than just parsnips and rutabagas. And again, on the back will be more recipes. Creamy parsnip soup. That sounds delicious. And this one has rutabaga lasagna, mashed rutabaga. That's my favorite way to use it, or just cubed. So good. So I wanted to share these with you because if you see something at a farmer's market and you think, I might want to try that, but I don't know how to pick a good one. I don't know what they're good with, and I don't know how to cook them. You could grab one of these links and check it out. And if you have these written down somewhere, you could check them out right there while you're at a farmer's market or at the store. Anyway, I just wanted to share this because I love having a really good resource, and I love when I can help people expand their knowledge about different foods and ways to use them, and these are just a lot of fun. So I hope you check the links. If you do and you find something that's interesting or that you were surprised by, please share that in the comments, because I'd love to know what you think about these. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.